Díomh fáistí agus fáilte chuig do ceacht Gaeilge inniu agus fáilte chuig do hisismóirí freisin. Welcome to Parents freisin. Inniu an déirdín tá sé an 8ú lá fiche de bhí anar inniu. Tá muid fós sa bheibhre, still in winter, agus tá I'm sure go donna. The weather is awful inis. Bhí sé ag stelabáistí né, it was yesterday anyway. Tásúla gom go méid an I'm sure ag fiabhsú agus ag Herbert nar thosaíonn an tarach. I'm hoping the weather improves when spring starts. An céad lá, tainú lá de bhí fiara, the first day of February, which is very soon. So inniu tá muid déanamh on scale, well, it's more like a choral conversation and it's egg snáv. So busk a hain, it's on féidir leat snáv, and that's the kind of phrase we're doing this page really. It's on féidir, can you? On féidir leat, snáv, on féidir leat ri, on féidir leat scríomh, on féidir leat ól, on féidir leat can you do? And then if you can, yeah, is féidir lum scríomh, is féidir lum léamh, is féidir lum whatever it is, or ní féidir, I can't. Ní féidir lum etalt. It always goes with lum, lat, leis, lehi. Good to know that as well. Just like is math lum, ní math lum, or is fiar lum. They go with lum. Féidir doesn't change spelling whether you're saying you can or can't do it, which is nice. So it's simple. If you know one spelling of it, you know the whole spelling for a question, for yes I can or no I can't. Same spelling. Then the verb here is tain. So the root of this verb is te, T-E fada I-G-H. That's the root of the verb. It's one of the 11 irregular verbs, or the bríalta navrialta in Gaeilge, in Irish. So there's just 11 verbs that kind of change all over the place, whether in the past, present. They don't follow a kind of pattern. So this one is, in the past would be cuig, which you might be more familiar with seeing. So this is cuig, but it's in the present. It's happening now. So when you're asking a question, this is the way it looks. It's on, and you have to put an uru of D in front of it. So on dain. So then it's like the T is disappearing as you're pronouncing it. On dain. Do you go? The answer tain or ní hain. And ní hain puts in a H. Now this spelling of a tain is the spelling you'd use for if you're saying like you go. So tain tu. He goes, tain she. She goes, tain she. Ye go, tain shiv. Or they go, tain shiad. The only time it's spelled differently to this if you're saying I go, and it's this spelling here, tame, because we blend this with the word may. Tain may becomes tame. And then we, which always has a different spelling, it would be taimid. That's it really. So on féidir leat snáv, can you swim? Agus tá níomh rá is féidir lum snáv. On maith leat bheith ag snáv. So that's the only difference with these phrases, the on ma and is féidir. You have to put in ve, egg. And if you think about it, you're saying, can you swim? Whereas here you're saying, do you like to swim? You don't say, do you like swim? In English even, you don't say that, do you like swim? We say, do you like to swim? So that's why it's the ve ag snáv. That's very important, that ve ag snáv. Whereas here you're saying, can you swim? Not can you to swim. So that's why it's different there. No ve here and ve here. So on maith leat ve ag snáv, is maith lum ve ag snáv. On féidir leat tuma, is féidir leat tuma. On maith lum, on maith lum ve ag tuma. I'm guessing she should be saying there on maith leat. Like, do you like to dive? She's hardly asking herself the question. And then Neve is ag fragger and ceist agus ag tuma. Very impressive there because she's diving in, answering a question at the same time. Is bra lum ve ag tuma. She loves it. So is bra lum, is math lum, is even lum. They're all ways to say I like, I love. It's great. Cahan a hain tu ag snáv. Cahan is the Irish time word. Like when. K is who, cared is what. Cahan is when. When do you go swimming? Téim ag snáv an íana tar éis scoile, after. Cool. And that's your day of the week there. Cén tam a hen tú ag snáb. So this is more specific then. What time? Téim ag snáb 3 o'clock. An déan, so there's the question word. An déan de cháirde ag snáb leat with you. Téin oisín Rory agus Róisín ag snáb lum. An déan Ciara ag snáb leat. Ciara is trifúr oige de Neve, her younger sister. Ní hain Ciara ag snáb mar tá sí ro óg, too young. So ní hain. So there's the ceist. An déan, téin, ní hain. Okay, so freagar na ceisna. An féidir le níomh snáb. Tá an freagar an seo. An féidir le níomh tama. Caitheann a haon níomh ag snáb. Caitheann a haon si ag snáb. Cén tam a haon níomh ag snáb. Cén tam. An déan a cháirde ag snáb. Now it's a cháirde because it's her friends. If they were his friends, you'd have a H in here. A cháirde. So do her friends go swimming? Freagar an seo. Iver sé an déan Ciara ag snáb. Tá si de caint faoi Ciara sa bhosca seo. Talking about Ciara here. An déan Niamh ag snáb an sathairn. So Niamh, does she go swimming an sathairn? Féic sa bhosca seo. Agus ceist a hocht an déan Niamh ag snáb an íana. Agus freagar an seo. So that tá den ceisna seo haon go dtí a hocht. Tá na ceisna bunathe an córa. They're all based on the córa. Tá na ceisna híos an seo, the questions down here, they're bunathe tusa. They're all based on you, agus the hail and your life. And the ceisna are all like an déan tú. And then if you're answering it, because it's you, it's téin with may. This is the spelling for téin with may. Téim and ní haim. So an féidir leat snáb. So I'm speaking to you now. Can you swim? An féidir leat snáb. If you can, is féidir lum snáb. And then muna bhfuil tú ábalta, it's ní féidir lum snáb. Iver dó an féidir leat tuma. Is féidir lum tuma, no ní féidir lum tuma. An maith leat bheith ag snáb. That's the rawa, it's your choice. If you like it, you can say is maith lum bheith ag snáb or ní maith lum bheith ag snáb. An maith leat bheith ag tuma. So diving. Is maith lum bheith ag tuma, ní maith lum bheith ag tuma. Caitheann a haon tú ag snáb. Now, this is, I know, pre-COVID times when we had, we'll say, actual days of the week and times of the week when we went swimming. You can make something up, or you can try and remember back when you used to maybe go swimming. Téim ag snáb, you know, what day was it, cén lá, and then cén tam. Muna haon tú ag snáb. If you didn't or don't go, you could say, well, ní haim ag snáb again or aon lá, and then ní haim again at any time. Didn't go any day, didn't go any time. If you didn't ever go to swimming lessons. Sin é the ceacht inniu, tá tú ag déanamh leathnach céad fis 3. Yeah, so tá gom nach meg sé roiachar. I hope it's not too hard. These are the frozy nua. An féidir, is féidir, ní féidir. An déan, téin, ní hain. And then if it's you, it's téim, ní haim, from like me. Sin é fáistí slán agus bannach.